name is Oliver Grabes. I'm the head of design at Braun, leading the Braun design team here in Kronberg in Germany. We at Braun decided to go back into Braun audio, into the audio category for a longer time already. The reason for going into this again was as the Braun brand set up to really revolutionize the industrial design world in the 50s, really connecting to that again, of course with today's technology. We didn't want to do retro design, but taking inspiration from those things at the time and translating them into today's world. So if you look into the way we actually created the product, then that's of course a multifunctional team. So on the one hand, there is the design team, working on the design elements and the interaction design, and then there's of course a lot of technical people that need to create the best sounding speaker ever. We found Pure as a partner, and then an exciting co-development started with the process of developing the products. Where we were all excited about were the LE1 speaker that was unique already at the time. With today's technology and in a different format, we then brought elements of that into the new series. So of course the most obvious ones are the speaker feet that actually elevate the speaker itself and make it lighter and make it more an object than just a functional thing that sits on another surface. Not only as a reference to the LE original speaker, but also to other premium classic furniture. The feet are also dampening the frequency and the movement the speaker does. The interface elements, the buttons, we look carefully into how we can take former typical Braun buttons from the audio heritage that we have, that we were then using and translating them into today's world of functionality, right? Very different. When we were looking into how we design the actual product range, we wanted to start with a very simple overall shape. Not like spectacular extreme design, but something that can last. So you don't have a cover on the front that sits on top or in front of the actual housing. And it does not actually sit within a frame, which is the two typical situations that you have. It comes actually together at the edge, which is typical for high-end furniture, for example. But in audio and with these type of products, it isn't existing. In the past, it was important to switch the audio product on and off. Today, you don't really need that anymore. It's on standby. But what is important is that you have a choice. Do you want to have the voice function, for example, and it's very clearly signaled to you, okay, it's green or it's red.
The mic is muted.
So this one really decouples mechanically the voice function. It was very important that we designed this whole range as a system. These are speakers you can put into different situations. You can take off the feet, you can use the feet, you can mount it on the wall. There's special stands for putting it on the floor, and you can combine them. So it enables people to listen to music together, not just one person, which is very important. We want to do much more, right? As you know, there's many other ways of how you today listen to music on the go, in different situations, very mobile life that a lot of people have. So lots of opportunities for us to build on what we started here and bring that forward. Braun is one of the few companies that has a very strong iconic design approach and a design language or a philosophy that focuses on less, so really leaving decoration off and focusing on what matters. Design for better living and design for something that gives the product value again. It's really this type of mindset of high quality products. So it's somebody who values that, I think, is the right audience, both visually and then also especially technically. These speakers sound fantastic. They're absolutely astonishing in terms of what they deliver in terms of sound quality, and paired with these very simple high-end aesthetics, that's where we hope that a lot of people see that and value it, and then become part of that club that is now starting this journey again.